Today's card. At first click team and search today card. I will select first card. Recreate Metaverse agent. Now click and open. One card open. Now I will click this and search second card. I will select second card digital agent maintenance. Now click and open. Second card open. Now I will search third card. At first click legal host virtual, but I cannot open because this card is locked.